All right, our question today from our viewer, they would like to know how much time does it take to detox the body from animal products once you go vegan?
Important question. The answer in general is not long. What are we really talking about? If you're eating the standard Western diet and bacon and eggs for breakfast and cheeseburgers for lunch and chicken for dinner, the amino acids are in your cells from the animals. The intestinal contents are obviously going to be filled with animal contents, and the microbiome that's going to summon up is in your colon. If you go to a plant-based diet, say 100% the next day, what would really happen? Well, we fortunately live inside human bodies that have a tremendous turnover. The blood flows at 25 miles an hour through your body. Your liver is astronomical in its ability to cleanse your blood. Your kidneys are these spectacular filters. And the turnover, when you think about it, when the doctor gives you, say, an antibiotic, take one of these 3 times a day. Why do you have to take it 3 times a day? Because your kidneys are so efficient, your liver is so efficient at cleansing your blood of these drugs that the concentrations go down pretty quickly. And the same with the animal byproducts. Most of the carnitine, the homocysteine, the metabolic smoke that's left over from these substances, they clean out over 48 hours, 72 hours. They don't linger that long, especially. The 2 things you can do to help is drink plenty of water, give your kidneys lots of water to flush it out with. You go out and take a walk every day. As you get your heart rate up, you force blood through your liver, you force blood through your kidneys. These are great ways to cleanse yourself of the animal residue. And the microbiome, it responds pretty quickly. You suddenly go from animal muscle to whole fruits and vegetables and grains and legumes. That summons up an entire different set of microbes down your gut. Within 48 to 72 hours, the changes become very evident. Certainly within a week or 2, it's a very different microbiome you have down there. So by and large, the answer is 3 to 10 days is the average. Most things are going to be bordering undetectable from your previous diet. Now, that said, the only difference, the only outlier there are some of the fat-soluble substances. When you think about it, in our fat tissues, we've got remnant molecules of every restaurant meal you ever ate, every fast food snack. There's micro traces of them. And as people get leaner on a plant-based diet and they empty out their fat stores, those fat-based contaminants, they also get eliminated. And often people will, as they adopt a whole food plant-based diet, they said, boy, for a week or 10 days, I felt really crummy. I felt like I had the flu. That's a good thing, actually. That's your fat cells emptying out of a lot of these contaminants. And again, your liver and your kidneys get rid of this. So for that reason, depending on how bad your diet was before, how loaded up your fat stores are, if you're eating spare ribs and chicken thighs, on a daily basis for years, it might take you a few weeks, few months to pretty much empty out your fat stores from problematic molecules. But don't let it be an obstacle. Most of this of the switchover happens, as I said, 10 days, 14 days, people are usually feeling much better after they make this transition. So I'm so glad I answered this question asked this question, because as I'm implying, I've had a number of people over the years that said, yeah, I tried getting a plant-based diet. I felt so bad over the next few days, I just went back to my old diet. And what was happening, of course, is they were just entering that detox stage. And it's a blessing in disguise. I tell people, just gut through it. Nothing bad's happening. Your body is not going to collapse because you're not eating cheeseburgers. And you're going to come out of that tunnel feeling much lighter and cleaner and better on the other side there. So expect those few days, possibly. A lot of people don't feel anything except good. But your bowels start working better. But again, there's often a lag, and during those few days, there some folks can feel a little detoxy. That's okay. But by and large, to put a bow on it here, minimum 3 days, but 10 to 14 days, usually the transition pretty complete, and people feel usually pretty good after that. That's the object of the exercise. Hi everyone, Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Each day, Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our daily Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.